Maxima 550, 40 horsepower without a license. Let's go try it out. What is this Maxima 550 ideal for? Definitely for day trips, a huge sunbathing area, because this bow section can also be set up as a large sunbed. And of course, you can't miss a nice aperitif at sunset. Pay attention to how the name is pronounced. The boat is called Maxima, not Maxima. Don't get confused like I did at first, thinking that the little crown above the eye was an accent. It's a crown because we're talking about a Dutch boat, so a country that has a king and a queen. That said, Maxima is the name of the boat, Maxima Boat is the shipyard, and this boat is truly fit for royalty. I'm telling you this right away because you probably won't follow me until the end. So if you don't want to miss this video and the upcoming on-water tests and quick reviews, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Some technical features of the boat: it has an overall length of 5.5 meters, so that's the maximum length, and a width of just over 2 meters. It's a boat that's utilized to its fullest, and it can obviously be driven with a 40 horsepower engine. The maximum limit is 50 horsepower, but with a 40 it runs beautifully. And if you want to see for yourself, at the end you can go and watch the video we made with just a 9.9 horsepower engine, and the boat still got up on plane. So it's truly a fast boat on the water when you need it to be. As I was saying, in the bow area, there's this sofa, a very long horseshoe shape. 6 people can all sit together here at the bow up front, and if I want to create a sunbathing area, all I have to do is remove this table, join the bases, add the cushions, and we have a sunbed that's over 2.5 meters long. As you can see, the aft seat is really spacious, and it's also the helm, the command station of the boat. You can fit, I don't know, 3 or 4 people here. 3 people can sit here very comfortably, but even 4 can fit with maximum comfort. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's 40 horsepower, so you can drive it without a license, which means from the age of 16, you can operate this boat. The engine is now silent, it barely vibrates, just to let you know it's running, it's on, but there's absolutely no annoying noise. 0, 0, 0. Fantastic. The helm console is clean and practical with a steering wheel, an exceptional wheel because it feels like you're commanding a truly important vessel, a real boat. Here we have the Honda instrumentation, a complete stereo system, and the control panel with all the boat's accessories at your fingertips. From this position, I can navigate comfortably and see everything, both the guests on board and the navigation and direction of the boat. All right, enough talking, let's go try it out. I've also taken down the sunshade to soak up all the sun, and soon there will be some wind, so I'm disconnecting the battery. When it comes to safety, you can never be too careful. Engine straight, let's lower the trim, put it in gear, push the throttle, and see what happens. Follow us. The truly remarkable aspect of possessing an optimal combination of power and weight, coupled with the carefully considered length of the boat, is the exceptional capability to effortlessly attain and maintain an excellent cruising speed. This outstanding efficiency translates directly into incredibly low fuel consumption, allowing for significantly extended voyages and the ability to cover a vast number of miles in unparalleled comfort and relaxation. In fact, we are currently cruising at a very comfortable 9 knots with the engine operating smoothly at just 3,000 RPM, which means you can barely perceive any engine noise whatsoever, creating a serene and peaceful environment as we effortlessly cover a substantial amount of nautical miles. But let's also see what happens at full throttle. Go! Well, not bad at all. 23 knots, really not bad. Let's also see how many seconds it takes to get on plane. So neutral, I shift into gear at idle 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3 seconds and we're fully on plane. Well, not bad at all. The unique hull design of this boat allows you to sit anywhere on board and still maintain a steady, consistent trim. Obviously, this isn't a boat suited for big waves or rough seas, but on the other hand, if the sea is calm and there aren't any particularly challenging waves, I have the freedom to move around. The boat is balanced everywhere. So, the choice really depends on the type of sea and the kind of navigation you want to undertake. In fact, this boat is able to plane at under 10 knots, which is exceptional, and it can do so thanks only to the specific type of hull it has. All the technical information I mentioned during the video, both at the beginning and at the end, as well as during, you'll also find written in the description box of this video. Plus, you can contact us through any of the contacts listed there to request the commercial sheet. In other words, the price of the boat, the possibility to come see it, and to schedule an appointment. Why not? Come visit us here in Desenzano del Garda and maybe make this fantastic Maxima yours. All that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.